Hey guys, I'm Punky. Welcome back to another episode of Punky's World. Today we're working on this 2018 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. I need to replace the taillight lens. It's very important. Let's just say I was backing up, I couldn't see a certain black mailbox. I smashed the taillight lens. Hey, shit happens. You just go with the punches and you're gonna have to deal with it. I wish I had a cooler story to tell you that, you know, a cop pulled me over and, hey, you got a taillight lens out. No, I don't. Well, bam! But I don't. There's glass broken off inside from the other bulb, so this is literally doing nothing. It needs to get changed out. Let's fix it the right way. Put a new lens on there. Put the LED lights for the reverse lights, you know, for all the chicks. For all the ladies, you know. Let's do it for the ladies. The ladies love that kind of shit. So a few things you're gonna wanna have, all right? You're gonna wanna have a Torx T27, some pliers. I have vice grip pliers right here. And you're gonna want your coffee if it's early in the morning. You're gonna be exposed to two screws right here, which are your Torx screws. We're gonna take our Torx. You can put it on you can get a screwdriver one if you want to. I'm just using a ratchet. Actually, personally, I think a screwdriver would actually work a little better. Okay, got one of them right here. I'm putting it up on top here. I'm not putting it in the bag today. It's gonna be fine. It's right there. There's two freaking screws. Go down here. Okay, second screw is out. Have a sip of coffee. Lens is gonna pop out. Oh, and we got broken parts. We can start taking these out like that. They just simply twist. They pull out. You're probably gonna run into a little jam. There's little tabs right here on the corner. So when you're pulling this light out, once you get the screws out, you pull straight out like that. You don't pull back because you're gonna have these little tabs here that are gonna get in the way. It looks like, yeah, part of it was broken right there. That holds the other tab. I mean, that makes sense because I did hit that mailbox kind of hard. No damage to the truck though, so, you know, goody goody. But anyway, so that's out, and then you're gonna get your replacement parts. So I got some random parts from Amazon. Now, I didn't want to get one from the dealer. It was gonna be really stupid expensive. It made no sense to me. I saw a lot of good reviews on this on Amazon. It cost me 20 bucks. So as you can see, this is the old one. It's smashed. Looks exactly like the Amazon one. As far as quality, I mean, it looks pretty much the same. I can't tell the difference other than yeah, this is a factory Toyota one. It says Toyota right on there. This one comes with the clips right here, which is good. So that way your screws will screw into there. It's got these deals that slide right into the holes of where it slides out. It's got the tethers right here to keep the wiring harness where it needs to go, so it's not all just hanging there. So, I mean, I can't complain. For 20 bucks, I think it was 20 bucks. I'll put it up and let you know what it was. But for that price, I'm not going to argue it. It looks great. Let's freaking send her and be done with this. I'm waiting on the reverse light to arrive, but I went with this one right here. I think this should be a good candidate. So we'll put the other bulbs in and get this mounted up. When that bulb comes, we'll just pop it in real quick and we'll do a test of the reverse lights. The fit looks accurate. Cool. Let's get it strung up. I have brand new bulbs right here. This one will go on this side. I'm gonna replace the other side once I pull that apart, just because, you know, I might as well start fresh with fresh bulbs because I have the extra one. All right, so we put it in there, give it a little turn. It's in there solid, beautiful. This is our reverse light bulb. I'm just gonna put this back in here right now just until the other one shows up. Right here is our brake light bulb. That one's in there, perfect. Go. Now you guys are probably wondering, like, Punky, why are you putting this all back together right now? Like, you don't even have your reverse lights. Well, it's early in the morning. I just got back into town. I still have a whole bunch of stuff I have to do throughout the day, and I really don't want to get pulled over. I've been waiting to do this, but I haven't had time because I had to leave town right away from when I went on vacation. So I just need to get this so it's functional, working, and when the reverse lights come, I can easily pop this out, pop them in, and we're good to go. It doesn't take long to take this out at all. There it goes. Kind of hard to see it, but this is the back underneath the bumper of where the license plate bulb is. It's really simple, but you're gonna twist and pull out and you should have access to the bulb. Yep, we got our bulb. So now let's swap it with the new LED one. I already pulled the bulb out, straight out. I got the new one. We're gonna pop it in there. And I'm gonna test it because some bulbs are polarity sensitive with LEDs. So let's see if it fires on. I'm gonna go turn the lights on the truck. As you can see, we're good to go. We're gonna pop that one back in there and everything should be gravy, baby. And then we'll do the other side. Now I know it's daytime, so it's hard to tell, but it's actually much brighter, I think. So, goody. Yeah, definitely is an improvement. This is the other one. I'm going to show you how we pull it out. You're going to turn it in a counterclockwise motion. It should get free from the tab. We're out. Just pull the bulb straight out. Perfect. Let's get our LED bulb in there. Pop it in. We'll test it out, make sure she's working. We have a working bulb. All right. We'll pop her back in. And we have our bright LED bulbs, which will give the rear a little facelift. All right, well, the bulbs finally showed up. We got them right here. We're gonna put them in, and we're also gonna put in the extra taillight bulb because I had an extra bulb that came in the pack when I did the opposite side. So I want to show you how it comes out. You're going to pull to the side and out. And out. Perfect. All right. Okay. Pop it in. Get this bulb. Take it out. I have a little bit of alcohol. I wet the rag here. Wipe the bulb a little bit just to make sure there's no fingerprints on the bulb. Looks good. We'll pop her in. And we have some reverse lights. Just tested it. Looks very bright actually, even for the daylight. Cool. Perfect. Looks good. Next light. Perfecto. Definitely much brighter, but we'll do the night test to really confirm that. This kind of gives you an effect of how the reverse lights look looking at the tree. And I'm going to put the new reverse lights in and we're going to see how they look in comparison. Okay, wow, huge difference with these LEDs. Oh my gosh. It's like night and day. It's insane. Nice job. Super freaking bright. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Punky's World. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you learned something. It's pretty easy to replace your taillight on this particular vehicle right here. And we did some upgrades with it too. I really love how bright the LED lights are for the reverse lights. It's just night and day in comparison. We'll see you in the next episode. Cheers!